You got him? You got him, babe? Reel him up. Reel him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. What is that?
What?
What is it?
Fish.
It's a fish, but what kind of fish? That's a big one.
Hi, fish. Hi.
That's a bass. Look at him. See it? Whoa! Oh, he's getting away. Pull him back up. Get the pole. Pull him up. There you go. Good girl.
Yeah.
There we go. There you go. Alright, look at that. See, Sierra? Touch him. Good girl.
Good girl.
Go ahead, reel him up. Reel. Reel it up, babe. There he goes. You got him. See him out there? You got him? Reel him up. Pull him up. Oh, there he is. Reel it up. Reel it up. Oh, that's a big one. Pull him up. Good. Wow.
So funny.
You're funny. Did you get him? You want to touch him?
Yes.
Go ahead, grab him. Grab him. He's okay. You want to give him a kiss? You're funny. Okay, Daddy's going to put him back, okay? You want to give him a kiss?